There is a big difference between sadness and distress. Feeling a bit sad or angry is normal in your day-to-day life and can be triggered by a range of different things. However, if you are feeling increasingly angry, frustrated, helpless, or confused, then you may be suffering from something which requires a professional to step in. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for a good night's sleep in autumn when daylight hours are shorter and the body's internal clock can be disrupted. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, allowing your body to anticipate when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake, promoting deeper and more restful sleep. As the nights draw in and the days turn a little gloomy, the winter months can often have an impact on our mental and physical health. With that in mind, a trip to sunnier climates might be exactly what you need to give your well-being a boost. Your nervous system allows you to think, move, and feel. But there's a whole other part of the nervous system that is largely outside of your control, operating automatically and quite independently from your conscious mind, and it keeps you alive. During the winter season, various eye issues can arise due to harsh weather conditions. Excess tearing and watery eyes, often caused by cold air and icy winds, can lead to eye redness and inflammation. This can often be due to dry eyes from the combination of entering and exiting the cold weather and rooms that have been heated with central heating. Your body is at war. Your immune system is in endless battle against a host of enemies, including bacteria, viruses, parasites, and, more often than you would like or are aware, cancer cells. Thankfully, your white blood cells are cutthroat killer cells, patrolling the body, ready to engulf, entrap, or dissolve unwanted visitors. The first research study that has undergone peer review has been released, demonstrating the successful transplantation of genetically modified pig kidneys into a human who was brain dead. These kidneys replaced the original kidneys of the recipient and were of clinical grade quality. The success of this transplant shows that xenotransplantation could be a solution to the global shortage of organs for transplant. A susceptibility to gain weight may be written into molecular processes of human cells, a new study indicates. The proof of concept study with a set of 22 twins found an epigenetic signature in buccal or cheek cells appearing only for the twins who were obese compared to their thinner siblings. Basically, when we are standing still, our bodies are constantly making adjustments in order to keep us stable. For example, if someone bumps into us when we are standing in line, our legs make a wide range of movements that we are not even necessarily aware of in order to keep us upright. The pursuit of wellness has gained increasing attention in recent years due to its potential benefits for preventing chronic diseases, promoting longevity, and improving quality of life. However, achieving optimal wellness requires a holistic approach that considers the unique needs and circumstances of each individual. Wellness interventions and programs should be tailored to the specific needs of individuals and communities.